In this tutorial, I will walk through the setup process for the Epson label printer model TM-M30-III. First, make sure the printer is switched off. Remove the bottom plate from the printer by prying it off from the bottom corner. Now you can easily get the back panel off as well. You can put them to the side for now. If your power cable is not yet plugged in, you can plug it in now. Make sure to note the orientation. The flat bit of the cable should point to the floor. If the printer turns on, you'll see lights blinking. Push 2 times on the power button to turn the printer back off. Next, plug in the Ethernet cable into the first port to the right of the power cable. Once both cables are connected, make sure the printer is still turned off. Then, press and hold the feed button, the one with the little arrow, and at the same time, press the power button. After a moment, the printer will print out an information sheet. You can now release the buttons. On this sheet, you will see several details. The important information is the IP address. In this case, it's empty. But this is the address you will need to enter into the Lemmon back office in order to enable automatic printing. After adding the IP address to the backend, you can restart the printer. The startup process takes about 1 minute. Once the printer is ready, you will be able to print directly to it.